Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop. Oh, you got some cabin work done in here.
Yeah, done a little bit.
Looks good.
They are stinking a little bit right now. You smell it, I'm sure.
Yeah.
I'm Reese.
Okay.
We got 4 EVL 15s and on 2 MD8Ks this time. So we changed up damps a little bit. We got a 3-to-1 ratio. And we've got a new cabin. Nice. Tuning's changed a little bit since I did this. I'm peaking now at like 52 hertz. Before I was peaking at like 42 to 44.
Does it still play the lows?
Yep,
too?
I can still play the lows. Might have lost a little bit of wind, honestly, but I'm happy with it.
Very nice.
Metered 160.9 in the kick,
Nice.
and a 59.1 on the dash. Yeah.
Congrats. That's nice.
It was an awesome moment. I'm glad I did.
That looks really good, man. And
added another brace. Added this.
Yep. And did you say you changed amps? What was your response just by testing before and after? Did you
before and after was huge. I wasn't clamping but like 4,500 watts before on a Korean board. Great amp, awesome amp. But I wanted some inexpensive power, and I got it.
Yes, sir.
But I got 2 of them. They're at 1 ohm a piece, 1 ohm per 2 subs. These are D4s. So, and immediately I was doing like a 55 before, and I went up to, after doubling the power, I went up to like a 58.6.
There you go. Yeah.
And I was like, you know what, I got this. Let me just change some stuff up.
Oh yeah.
Get that 60.
So you kept the power you were, and you gained a few dBs just from changing. All right. So window up, do you know your gain? Have you tested to see the louder between window up and down yet for like demo versus sealed? Yeah, they got hot.
Well, I think demo, I haven't really measured with demo too much. I know that I did a, sorry about that. That was funny.
That's all right.
I did a 55 with both windows down demo, and I think it picked up at like 42 hertz. So that was impressive.
Nice.
I like that. So.
Can I see the back real quick? Does the door handle open?
Sorry, I had you locked down.
It's all right. Nice. How much lithium is this?
120 amp hour.
120. Wow, that little bit. 120.
Yep.
Nice.
18 cells there.
Very nice. Looks good. What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Vile. I hope you enjoyed that full walk around. We got a Reese System. This was at the Savannah, Georgia Seaport Showdown show in 2022. Impressive to see over a 160 dB on some budget-friendly Scar Audio EVL subs. So be sure to give him a like and comment what you think about his system. During this demo on the second part, you're going to notice when he puts the window up, he's probably giving me at least a 158 to 159 dB on music. So really insane demo. Powerful amplifiers, of course. Never recommend to put over double RMS rated power to subs, but it got the job done to be able to get that 160 dB plus. Also, if you play for a short period of time, sometimes you may get more power, but long term it's not really effective or efficient for your subs because you're going to damage them, end up blowing coils out, and you'd have to replace the sub. So these subwoofers are rated at 1,250 watt RMS. I like the box work he's done over the last 2 years, and I'm sure he started out with, like he was saying, a low 50 dB range with this system, and after adding in the braces, working on the cabin work, adjusting the port, inverting the subs, working on the enclosure, all of those things work to get over a 160 dB, so it's a lot of work to get into it. And I wanted to see the specs on the Scar Audio website. They were right at $191 during Cyber Monday sale, rated at 1,250 watts RMS. And being that this is a 4th order enclosure with a bigger ratio, that helps with this peak frequency to get that SPL score goal he was going for. And it's exciting to see some budget $200 subs break that 160 dB. And total of 16,000 watts, a lot of power on tap. As you can see, he's going to give me a demo with the window down, really crazy wind pressure, and then put that sealed window up on me to see how loud it got. So subscribe if you haven't. I do daily car audio videos, and enjoy. I'd love to hear it, man. Looks good.
I'm sending a little more than rated power.
Yeah,
well, just
that sounds good, man. Make me sneeze at a certain frequency. You can't help it. Your body lets it out.
If you want me to load you up,
sure, yeah. You want me to roll it up or? Oh, you got it.
Okay.
All right. Yeah, I'd love to hear it again with a window up this time. Unit pop. Man.
That's probably about all I got right now.
Yeah, I appreciate it. Yeah, let him cool off, man.
Yeah.
Wow, that's some pressure. Good job, man. Can I see the back real quick? Does the door handle open?
Sorry, I had you locked down.
It's alright.